Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY light up cloud room decor. And before we get started, I'd like to make a special announcement. We've hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for hitting 100 subscribers, and let's get right to it. The materials you need for this DIY cloud room decor is polyfill, a hot glue gun, yarn, a container, and you'll also need fairy lights. Let's get started. The first step is to get your hot glue gun and place some hot glue on your container, just like this. Then get some of your cotton and place it right where you put your hot glue. And now you can repeat that process until you fill up the entire container, but make sure you don't fill up the bottom and the lid yet. After you get towards the top of your container, you're going to want to make sure you don't put any polyfill right at the crease of your lid, which should be right here. You don't want to put any there so you can still open it now and then. Now it should look somewhat like a cloud, and you still should be able to open your container like this. Now you can add some of your polyfill on the bottom, and you're going to want to make sure to take off your lid when you're putting on the polyfill on your lid. Now you can move this aside and get your lid, and now you can start putting some polyfill on your lid, but you're going to want to make sure you don't put any inside of the lid. You're just going to want to put it outside of it. Now you're going to want to get a piece of your string and put some of it in the middle of your lid. So put some hot glue, place your string on, hold it for a couple seconds so it gets secured. Then you can let go and get a little bit more hot glue. And to secure it, you can get some of your polyfill and place it on top of your string so it doesn't show, just like that. And now it should be able to hold like this. After you've put string on your lid, you're going to put some string on the bottom of your container. So get your hot glue gun, place some hot glue in the middle of your container. Now you're going to get your string and place it down so it all cools down and gets hard. Hold it for a couple more seconds. And now I'm going to get more hot glue, place it on top, and get some of my polyfill and place it on top of the hot glue so it hides the string. Hold it down. Now it should hang like this. Now you can turn on your fairy lights and place them inside your container like this. And make sure you adjust them to your liking. Now you can get your lid and place it on like this. And now you can use the strings and place it on your wall. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!